he's a 10. Hi, I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and welcome to my channel, The Real Deal, where I talk about your hair loss, why you've lost your hair, and is there anything you could do to get it back. Today, we're doing a product review, and I'm really excited about this product review because this product review is a product that is owned by a friend of mine, a longtime friend. Now, I haven't seen her in a long time, but we're still friends, I'm sure. But her name is Carolyn Aronson, and she's the owner of It's a 10. And I've known Carolyn from, for over 20 years. I met her probably in the early 2000s, and actually we met at a hair show. I met Carolyn at the International Hair and Beauty Show in Manhattan, New York, and she was there with another company, another vendor, and I was doing hair extensions in this show. And so she walked through one morning, the first morning of the show, before all the people get there, where all the vendors can walk around and look at everything, and we're setting up everything. And she came by and she's like, oh my God, she's like, I want hair extensions. I would love to have hair extensions. And I said, well, I would love to have a model. I need a model. I'm here all day. And I said, so if you've got nothing else to do today and you can sit here for 10 hours as I talk to people as they walk by, and if you don't mind me plugging hair and gluing hair into your head, you're my model. We have your hair color, not a problem, we'll do it. So she went back and got permission, and she sat in my chair all day. So after you have somebody sitting in your chair for 10 hours, you get to know that person pretty well. And come to find out, it was a really small world. She knew people that I knew, and vice versa. And so we became friends. At that time, not long after that, she and a partner launched a product line, and actually it was a very good product line, but getting into the hair product line world is a very, very hard thing to do. There's a lot of people out there that want their shampoos and conditioners and gels and hairsprays to be discovered and be used by salon owners and people across the world. But there's a lot of competition. So the diligent, the strong, the innovative, they survive and they make it. And even some of them don't even make it. So Carolyn, they launched this first product out there, and it was a great product, great packaging. It was excellent. And for me, I had just gotten into the hair replacement industry and started doing education and working with one of the companies and designing a whole product line for hair systems for this company. And so we needed a wet line. We needed a complementary shampoo and conditioner. And so along comes Carolyn and her partner with this product, and it was fantastic. It was great. But again, like I said, it's a very hard industry to get into. And so everybody, we kind of all went our separate ways, and things happen, and I had my thing and they had their things, and we all have to do our thing. But Carol and I remained friends over the years, and but I haven't seen her in a while, and I would love to get together with her. And just a shout out to Carolyn. Hey, we're both in Fort Lauderdale. Let's see each other sometime. Let's talk. But so I'm really, really excited about trying this product. I've used her product occasionally here and there over the years, but now that I'm doing a YouTube channel and this is what I'm doing, I need to test products. So, which is great for me because it gets me outside of my box. Sometimes we get into a box of using the same products over and over and over, and we don't go out and try discover things for each other and our new clients. We get really busy in our lives and our businesses. So, so today we're going to try her product line from It's a 10. Some of you might have seen her product out there. It's available in salons and retail studios out there, and it's just a great, great line. It's a conditioning line is really what it is. It basically puts hair back into great shape. But here's the thing. Not all products out there that are made for human growth hair are meant for human hair extensions or human hair replacement. The hair is different. They've removed some of the cuticle on it. They've used barbaric textile dyes sometimes to color the hair, bleach the hair out. So it's really, really beat up and damaged hair. And so when I started using Carolyn's products, and we'll review some of her leave-in conditioners and things like that, I was really impressed because that's what her product does. It revitalizes damaged hair. Okay, it makes hair really, really good. So today we're going to talk about a spin-off of her It's a 10 line, and I'm excited about talking about He's a 10. She came out with a men's line. It's a small line. It's got a few products. It's got an all-one body wash and shampoo and hair shampoo, and then she's got a gel and some pomade, and so we're going to review today her styling gel, okay? And Miracle Defining Gel, He's a 10. And I'm really excited. I love this product. It's a great product. One thing I really like about it is that it's got a very light fragrance. It doesn't overpower my cologne or my clients' colognes. Because for men, they don't always necessarily like having too much cologne. Now there's some, they do like having a lot of smells, but for a lot of people today, they don't like it because, I paid a lot of money for my cologne, so I don't want my gel to overpower my cologne, right? So I really like that. Two, I like the fact that it really works well with the hair. The Miracle Defining Gel, if I don't want such a hard, stiff look, or I can water it down with a little bit of water and emulsifying it in my hands when I apply it. I can blow dry it, get a dry look if I want, but get great hold, or like I said, a wet look, or a little bit of both. So I'm really, really excited about using the product. It's a great product. Like I said, I've used it in my hair today. It goes on really well, emulsifies really well down. Again, washes out really easy. It doesn't build up on the hair. A lot of times the hair replacement hair, because it's lacking a cuticle, has a lot of buildup on it sometimes. And this was great. It did not have that buildup on it. So I really, really love that product. So as you can see today, that's what I have in my hair. I've got It's a 10. He's a 10 Defining Gel. And so I highly recommend that you go out and you find this product. Cost wise, it's not the cheapest product on the shelf, but that's okay because you don't need to use a lot. We're hair replacement guys. We're not washing our hair every single day, so the gel remains in the hair, and tomorrow you just get up, put some water in it, maybe add a little bit more gel to it, and it refreshes itself, and off you go. All right. So again, don't worry about the cost because you're using a very little bit, and a little bit goes a long way. So it's okay, but it's really not that bad cost-wise, all right? You're paying, $100 for your cologne, so why not pay, $20 for gel, all right? Especially if it does what you need it to do, all right? All right, so I'm looking forward to having more product reviews on He's a 10 and It's a 10. Hopefully, maybe Carolyn doesn't have a leave-in conditioner for our men. Hint, Carolyn. Let's talk. And and even my women. I have women with thin, fine hair, and she does have a light product out there for leave-in conditioner, which is a great product. We'll do a review on her leave-in conditioners also. But again, at this point, she doesn't have a leave-in conditioner for men, and hopefully one day she will. All right, Carolyn, I look forward to seeing you. Let's get together. Big thumbs up. Congratulations on your launching of your hair extensions. I know your husband doesn't know this, but I was your first hair extensionist. That is. Your husband's a big guy. I don't want to piss him off. But Carolyn, I look forward to seeing you. It was always a pleasure being with you and hanging out with you. Carolyn, again, congratulations on all your success. And I'm Steve Luttrell. If you have any comments, questions about He's a 10 and how to use it, you can get in touch with me, or you can get in touch with Carolyn and her company at He's a 10. But leave a comment down in the section below if you have any questions. And if you liked what you heard today and talked about today, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And again, I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and this has been The Real Deal. Have a great hair day, guys.